Hey there, folks. I just wanted to take a second to wish everyone a happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, all of those holiday festivities that are coming up at the end of the year into the beginning of next. And I wanted to take a moment to invite you to some absolutely free training that will help set your business up for success as you move into 2022. W Income Coaching will be hosting their Time Management 101 course this Tuesday, December 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It is absolutely free. We don't charge a dime for any of the coaching that we do. It's a free training program for any real estate agent at any brokerage. This time management course is the perfect complement to your 2022 goal planning session that you should be doing very soon. Jump into this free training and really let us dive in with you and show you how to break down your long-term goals into daily action items that will set you up for success and allow you to have the most productive year of your business. We'd love to have you on board. Again, it's 100% free. We don't charge a dime. It's free to register. Listen, if you don't like it, I give you your money back. Hope to see you there.